And take 2.
Hey. Hi. How are you?
It's still, Mentor, it's still too much. I don't know what. Yeah, it's still too much. Hey, what's up? You have to come in like, oh, I like your new hair. Keep it chill. I don't know why. It's too much. Just for you. Ready? And come in.
Hey, how are you?
Check out her haircut. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look, she dyed her hair. Check it out. Go touch it.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Not far.
No, just tell her I'm so great. Yeah, you're so great. Yeah. Show her Jimmy. Show her Jimmy. He's right over there. Tell her all about Jimmy. Put your arm around her. He's right there with the cue card. He's the cue card right there. Check him out. Look, point him out. You're dating this new guy. Show right here, the cue card. Right there. Right here, my love. He's right there. He's right there. That way you can look at this cue card all day long. Isn't he so fucking hot? Excuse my French. Yeah. Keep going. Wow, look. Oh.
I'm really tired. I can't sleep as long.
How's Jimmy?
He slept in the morning. He's great. Could feel pain.
Poke her in the belly. Poke her in the belly.
Yeah.
Okay, help her out.
I buy Listerine for both. Yeah.
He's waving.
Gets rid of his icky breath. Fights all the germs at the same time.
I should try Listerine.
Yeah, it's the strongest mouthwash out there.
Anything to say?
Listerine, saving relationships across the country.